Manifestors are here to initiate. Their inspiration comes from within, and they are designed to get things started. Have the ability to begin things on their own without waiting for an invitation. Before they take action, manifestors are meant to inform the people around them about what they plan to do. Manifestors usually are not designed for the steady energy demands of a traditional 9-to-5 schedule. They benefit from going to bed before they are tired, and sleeping alone helps them discharge the sacral energy they pick up during the day. Their theme is peace. Peace comes when they are free to act in alignment with their inner drive. When a manifestor feels blocked, controlled, or interfered with, anger can arise as a sign that they are out of alignment. Manifestors are here to initiate, inform, and make impact. When they honor their inner urge and move in freedom, they return to peace.